Yeah, YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. 2-box break, 2009 Ultimate Collection will be first. We're looking for a pack of football cards. Let's see what we get. Got the hat of Mojo. And we got a pack of football cards. It is thin. It's probably an autograph. Let's hope for a Legends autograph. Maybe our Matt Ryan for Mr. Army ATC. But here we go. I think it's the third card. I believe the auto is the third. All right. Antonio Bryant for the Buccaneers at a 860 base. A Peyton Manning base for the Colts. Actually, it's that one. I'm going to go like that. Ultimate Legends, Roger Craig for the 49ers. And sick. That's nasty. Wow, very sick card, guys. Quad autograph numbered at a 15 gold. Broncos, Colts, Eagles, and Cardinals. Sick. Noshan Moreno for the Broncos. Donald Brown for the Colts. LaShawn McCoy for the Eagles. And Chris Beanie Wells for the Cardinals. Quad autograph. Nasty. What up? Sick, sick, sick. Got a Moreno, Noshan on there. Beanie Wells. Very nice. We've had actually a really good football break. All right, final box. Moving on. That was a very, very nice start. Let's have this Premier box up at 1. Oh wait, Premier does not fail to let us down. Just saying. We got a black pack. I'm going to put a base to the back just so I don't cheat. A black pack. I'm going to put a base card to the back. On the front, we have for the Cowboys, number 21 out of 35 of Tony Romo. Next up, for the Falcons, quad jersey autograph numbered 15 out of 375 of Harry Douglas. For Mr. Army ATC. Next will be the manufactured patch of the Giants, numbered 8 out of 15 of Andre Woodson. Andre Woodson. Let's see some dirty patches. Come on. LT. Not bad. One color, 3 color, 1 color. Nice middle, Gale Sayers. But numbered out of 75. Chargers, Bears, Packers. LaDainian Tomlinson, Gale Sayers, and Ryan Grant. There's white on the Grant, but nice Gale Sayers in the middle there. And nice, very nice. For the Cowboys, numbered out of 65, just missed his jersey number by 1. Actually, I think, never mind, he didn't. 17 out of 65, Daryl Johnston autograph. For the Cowboys. What do we got? We got 2 cards remaining, I believe. This one is backwards. There's one that's backwards. I'll look at the back card first. Actually, yeah, I'm going to look at the back card first just because the other one's backwards. The last card will be for the Chiefs, a triple jersey numbered out of 65 of Dwayne Bowe. Mr. Debo. And the final card of the break will be nice for the Eagles, numbered out of 99. Not bad. Autograph of Deshaun Jackson. So nice box of Premier, very nice box of Ultimate Collection. But that's a nice Deshaun Jackson. I'll be back Saturday probably, but that's it. Very nice break. GSN Cards is out.